Hello everyone, Sam from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. Now, this is the gold chart that I made on 18th August, right? And according to this Elliott wave study, this is a triangle. I said this, in my opinion, it was a triangle and finishing here with like A, B, C, D, E, five legs. And after that, wave five should start to the upside. And this is wave one, two, followed by wave three to the upside. So I was expecting that we will move to the upside. In the same time, in the same day, on 18th, this is the Elliott wave study, right? Now, when you apply the harmonic pattern study, I found this one. And well, see, this is the chart. Well, this is the daily chart. This is what happened to as of today, 29. You can see that it's bounced from exactly where I said the 23% line and went all the way to the upside, right? This TL also, TL and the 23% line. Now, according to the harmonic pattern, this is what I said that this is what it is doing, and it might be just bouncing from here, from 38% line. But in this diagram, you can see that the C point can be either at 38 or 23% line. So this is what it did. It came down a little bit more to 23% line of this fit, right? So then I said, okay, now we're going to go to the upside. So on 18th, we're supposed to be going to the upside, but we dropped 18 and 19 will drop actually, right? So first I had a couple of trades to the downside on 18th and 19, and then we start taking the long. We're supposed to be doing that, right? So look, exactly that's what happened. Okay, so for example, this one is just an after chart of that 4 hour chart, harmonic pattern, right? So it bounced from here, from 23% line, and went up all the way to the upside. Now look at the trades that, first we came down and then we went up, right? So 18 and 19, we came down, then we started to go up. So on 18th, I had this trade to the downside when it was dropping from 38% line to 23% line. So this is 135 pip. On 19, it dropped more. Again, after retracing, it dropped here, 170 pip more to the downside. Now we are at 23% line. Then it started to go up, and then on the 20th, I have, this is 20th, right? This one, it started to bounce from here, beautiful entry, and then look what happened, 230 pip trade on the 20th. Then come, I think, like Saturday, Sunday, oh no, 22nd, you can see here, another entry, and then 250 pip more. Then 23rd and 24th were like so the weekend, right? Then game start on the 25th again, and then 25th, I have this entry here, and 180 pip from 500 box size chart. And then I had from 150 box size, you can see here, 60 pip, right? It looks big, but the box size was small, so that's why it's only 60 pip on the 28th. But then on the 28th, I had this one for 290 pip from 500 box size, right? Beautiful entry. Look at how much is going to the upside, nice and clean. And then another big one is this one today, 29. All right, so this was on the 20th from here to here, and then again it dipped. Beautiful by the book setup, according to my setup, my system, and my robot, the automated trading robot, took the entry. All of these entries are taken by the robot, and then look, 390 pip all the way to the upside. Remember that gold, let's say for example, gold has a daily range of, let me see if I have the 4 hour chart. Somewhere I must have the daily range. Okay, let me show you the daily range. CTS, the daily range. We have it here. Okay, no. Let me drop this one here. See, the daily range for gold is 436 pip every day, right? Previous day means yesterday, Thursday did 386, and current day means Friday did 493. So if you have an early entry into the day, then you can hold on to it to get to this daily target, daily range, right? Don't just close 50 pips. It's gonna go to its 90% chance. I would say 80% chance that it will go towards very close to the daily range. Like for example, here's 436, 386. Yeah, that's okay, right? At least almost like 400 pip. And here, little more, less than 400 the other day, Thursday, and the Friday, a lot more than 400 means around very close to 500 pip, right? And it will increase, by the way. A couple of months ago, that gold has like more than 600 pip daily pip range. So yeah, you always have a very good chance. If your entry is early in the day, you can hold on to it for a long pivot, right? So these are the trades I just showed you, and this is what happened. Let me see. So all the trades you saw, and all now currently what happened? What is happening is this. Let me show you. Um, on this small chart. The big chart, you can see that this is what's happening, right? But it's not gonna go a straight line, right? It will make small waves. So what is happening on a smaller time frame, smaller scale is this. So this is like bouncing from here, that 23% line. So it's like wave one, ABC two, then again, one, two. I thought maybe like the three, four, and five, and that would be the end of it. But again, it's keep going. So now I changed my count. And basically, this is a perfect count. And this is wave one, two, and then wave three started, right? So wave three will also have five subwaves. Out of that, it's like wave one, two, and this is exactly perfectly by the book. Wave three calculation is right there, and the high of the 3451, which is the high of the weekly chart. Let me see. So right there, 3451. Then we're gonna dip a little bit for wave four now. Wave four should be like 38% of wave three, and then after that, we will go up for wave five, or maybe like 61% or 78% of wave three. So this is what I'm going to expect is that from here on 3451, we should be coming down to 3414 here, yeah, or maybe 3403. We will see. But we are supposed to be dropping for wave four of this. One, two, this. No, sorry. Wave four of this three, right? So one, two, three, four, five. That would be wave three of black town. Then we're gonna drop for wave four of the black town, and then wave five, and so on and so forth. Okay, so a lot more to the upside, basically. So this is what the gold is all about. And a couple of more things that I want to discuss, and I want to tell you that right now, since Omar said that, man, Daddy, there's Labor Day coming and everybody has a sale, and we should have to. So I said, okay, no problem. So go ahead and do it. So Labor Day is on September 1st, right? So we already started it. It's on the website. Everything is we always do 50%. So he said, oh, well, Labor Day said, no, let's do a little more this time, right? So he said, okay, no problem. We do it 60% off across the board, everything of anything at all. You go on my website, you have my system here, for example, right? So you have, monthly, 6 month, five, or yearly, right? So everything is 60% off, one-on-one coaching, 60% off, courses, Elliott Wave course, Harmonic courses as well, and the combos as well, right? One is for 500, one is for 7, and one is for 1,000. They're all 50%, 60% off. Now, another big thing is, and for you guys to make money, serious money, good money, is the affiliate program that Umar started it, right? So I was always thinking, but I couldn't. But he is the technical guy, so he said, okay, he's gonna add a few plugins and this and that. Says do whatever you want to do. So he added this thing up in here, and it's very good plugin. And then it's taking everything under consideration, and it's official. So what you can do is that you can become affiliate here, and then later on, whenever you wanted to come and see your dashboard, you can just log in to your affiliate, user and password, and here you can just become an affiliate. And for affiliate, we decided to give out 25% commission of anything and everything on our website. 25. But if you are our subscriber, current subscriber, or you were a subscriber in the past, then you get 30% commission, right? Of any of these things. So imagine the combo three we have like for 997, it's 1,000. So 30% is $300, right? So you can get here, become an affiliate, and you can get the link. You can make your own link here. For any of these pages that you want to promote, right? I'm sure that you have different platforms, right? Social media platforms, right? Instagram, and we use, Facebook and this and that. So many out there. So you can just take the link, make your own link, and then spread it out. And anybody come and then get something out of my, from my website, you get the commission accordingly. Right. So, like I said, that if you are my subscriber already, or at any time in the past, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, it doesn't matter. Right. if you can prove me that, yeah, okay, you were my subscriber, and this is what I'm doing. I'm promoting your website and then getting these people. So you get 30% commission. That can be, serious money, right? So if you just, and you have nothing to do. It's just like, just go here and then, become an affiliate, get your link, and you can, get these charts as well. And maybe I'll have some charts and some other things. I'll give it to Omar to put it on the affiliate page so you can use those alongside with the link, and then promote and make extra money. All right. So this is it for now, and just wanted to make this gold video to show you guys what happened. Gold is very, very nicely moving according to my charts, and then I've been making these charts all my life. And but gold I recently started like few maybe a year or 2 years ago, I think. And so far now it's pretty good. I have a pretty good hold on gold, and it is moving according to my charts and my analysis. So so far so good. And after this one, I will make the video for Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also going to make the turn now. Big turn is coming. So I'm gonna make the video for that, and then I'm gonna make, because I made a video combining everything. So I got emails that if I can make the video separately, right? So I said, okay, no problem. So I'll make a Nasdaq video, then I'll make the video for Bitcoin, and then maybe in between I'll make the weekly recap video as well. So a lot of videos I have to make and then post on my channel, right? So subscribe the channel so that you get my videos with these setups and all these goodies on time, so you can take advantage of that. Also, I have this is a free Telegram for anybody to join, so that you can see what we are doing, and on a daily basis, right? Analysis, and sometimes I post all the trails and videos and all of that. And then if you decide, if you like, you decide to become our affiliate or our subscriber, then you can just come on the website and join, right? So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a very, very good, wonderful weekend. All right, so talk to you guys later in the next video.